I would like, if I may, to take you on a strange journey.
Sorry about the shakiness. It's been a bad few days. We are gonna, this is the seat brace frame out of the Generation 2 TRIAXE scooter. This is the one that got crushed 3 times by the airlines. Anyway, twice by the same one, once by a different airline. So anyway, the scooter got crushed and we've straightened it back out and whatever, but it's a little over 4 years old. And in view of being crushed and the metal being fatigued, and stuff, we've developed some cracks, as you can see here and here. So we've straightened it back out and we've ground them down. I do not have a TIG welder. I don't have a wire field welder. I've got a stick welder, and I have welded some amazing things with that stick welder, but this is way too lightweight and some type of, it's a magnetic metal, but I'm not sure what it is. So I'm going to take it up to a custom place and see, Custom Way Welding. I do a lot of computer work for them, and I've got a lot of stuff stored up there. And I'm going to take it up to them and see if they do have a TIG welder and they can TIG weld that for me. So I thought, what better way than a nice rainy winter's time to shoot a video. So let's do that. GO4's running. She's warming up. Let's get in and take a ride. Alrighty, let's get fastened up here. See what we can do. Strapped in. Safety first. And we'll get on our way. Get some speculators here. All right. Let's ride. Little trip up there, but I thought it would be nice to just shoot a little video and make a run up.
the morning to the clear blue sky. Turn up the music when I hop in the ride. The windows down, let the whole world see. Ain't nobody rock it like little old me. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I got my trucks and my dickies and I put it on black. Banging Sinatra in a flat Cadillac. My old lady leaning out the whole window. Everybody looking when we walking slow. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Everybody sing it out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everybody sing it out. Whoa, everybody sing it out. Whoa. Okay, 1 for the money and the 2 for the show, but 3 to be a legend even if I'm poor. I ain't chasing nothing, you gon' have to catch me. And if you wanna taste, you gon' have to pay a fee. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm on the ring walls and my little scarecrows. When they hear my record, well, they all hit the floor. Babies rock a pose, come up in the front row. The homies in the back, give the house a roll. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. blow up. Everybody sing it now. Everybody sing it now. Everybody sing it now. Everybody sing it now. Everybody, won't you clap your hands? White folks, do it on time if you can. Sounds good, now here's the plan. Let's all sing together like we in the same band. I'm the bomb and about to blow up.
We're here in the big town of Nuclear. We have some good events that happen here. This is where the heritage of the flights happens, the motorcycle shows. And our Monday night cruise in. Cannot wait till that starts up again. I'm ready. Inside and see if they can help me out. Awesome group of guys, known them for years, so I sure hope so. We'll be back with the news.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, we are going to get back on the road. It's going to cost about $40 to have it TIG welded if they can. If they can't TIG, then they'll MIG it. And fill it in. Pretty severe cracks and gapping, but by the time we purchase that part and get it shipped in from China with that magnificent Chinesium, it would be costing a lot more. So we're going to get back on the road. We've got some other things that we have to do. Let's get at it.
It seems you've mistaken me for someone who cares. I'm just a dirtbag under the weather and overrated. think I'm losing it. Baby, where have you been? Everybody says that you're moving again. I don't wanna be right, baby, every single night.
Alrighty, we're gonna stop off at the store. We're gonna do some video work. We actually have to get some stuff. Actually, my Christmas list for everybody. I left it here at the store, and I need to pick that up. So I'm going to go in here and do my thing. You all take care of each other. Do your thing. See ya! Oh, and remember, I like the music. That's why I play it. That's why I ride. Thanks for following along.
Damn, that was annoying.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, wake up in the morning to the clear blue sky. Turn up the music when I hop in the ride. The windows down, let the whole world see. Ain't nobody rock it like little old me. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I got my trucks and my dickies and I put it on black. Banging Sinatra in a flat Cadillac. My old lady leaning out